Well, in this category, now we shall be talking about a particular sect, that is the Muslims. As far as the Muslims are concerned, they constitute about 13.4% of the Indian population, and they differ from other marginalized group because it is said that they lag behind in the basic amenities and in the literacy and public employment. So they have to be given extra preference, they have to be given extra safeguard. Besides, the government appointed the Rajendra Sachar committee, and this committee came out with the report based on 3 indicators, that is the social, economic and educational indicators, which clearly show that the Muslim community lags behind even the minority and the other marginalized group in India. So therefore, they need more safeguards and more protection. It is said that the Muslim child between 7 to 16 years of age is lacking behind in education, that is going to school in all the communities that we have. Now, this is not the only reason why the Muslims have been categorized as marginalized, but sometimes also because of the way they dress up, that is why they have been placed into the marginalized group. Some of them like to wear a burqa, a long beard, which makes them different from others because the others do not do so. And thus, people start looking at them with suspicion. And as you have seen in your class 7th civics book, that the Ansaris were forced to go and find home from place to place because they were not getting a proper place to dwell. This leads to ghettoization, that is a particular place wherein just the Muslim community starts dwelling, starts living, and this gives rise to prejudice, to hatred, to violence. So we have to remove all this to bring in equality amongst all the communities in India. In this chapter, they have tried to explain that which is the minority marginalized group in India. They've gone into the details of the Adivasis and their women, what kind of privileges they are looking forward to, and how the Muslims are left behind and they have to be given a higher scale in the indicators like social, economic and educational, and this alone will ensure equality and justice in the country, which is the basis of Indian Constitution. So we have to remember that if the Indian Constitution is to be put into practice in reality, we have to protect, safeguard the interest of the minorities, and this can be done only by the efforts of the government and of course by the broader outlook of the educated Indians. And that was all about your chapter. Thank you.